Here's a very easy and casual recipe for a cottage cheese and fruit salad. Great for the summer. Let me show you. My dad ate a version of this salad all summer long and fell in love with it. It starts with just a generous bed of cottage cheese and then really whatever fruit that you like. I've been cutting up a bunch of melons this summer, so I'm doing a little honeydew. I have some watermelon I chopped up a little earlier. And I also have a nectarine. I'm gonna throw a few pieces of that in, that looks really good, and some washed blueberries. But really you could do whatever you have on hand, even canned fruit or frozen fruit works well. Any kind of combination, pineapple, it just looks great and tastes delicious. I think that looks pretty good. And then it might sound unusual, but a little bit of salt and pepper over top. Strange, but it actually really works. And then for this version, Dad didn't do this, but I like a little bit of crunch in mine, so I have some shelled pistachios. It's just a tablespoon or so. And then I also have some fresh mint from outside, so a couple of mint leaves. You can either tear them, or what I'm gonna do is take a little pile of them and with a scissor, just snip them over top into nice little strands. Looks, smells so good, and is so refreshing over the summertime. Give it a try.